dermatologist at Cutis Hospital. Today I am going to talk about PRP for hair loss. Hair loss is the most common complaint that everybody would have noticed in their lifetime. So the main reasons for your hair loss includes your hereditary factor, that is your male and female pattern baldness, stress, post-pregnancy, PCOS, insulin resistance, and sometimes post-crash dieting. So it is very important that ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀಸನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡರ್ಮಟಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯರ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೇರ್ ಲಾಸ್. Various treatment modalities for your hair loss includes your topical and oral medications, PRP, LLLT, stem cell therapy and hair transplantation. Among all these things, PRP is considered to be the one of the best adjuvant therapy along with your topical and oral medications. PRP. PRP is a platelet-rich plasma, which is a natural extract, that is a concentrate of your platelet, which is extracted from your own blood. Usually, in own blood, now extract it's a natural component, doesn't give much side effect to you. So, this platelet-rich plasma contains a concentrate of platelet, which contains a growth factor, which will be released once it is injected into your scalp. Growth factors ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ ಹೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇರ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಾಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೇರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕೂದಲು ನಿಮಗೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಲುಕ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ PRP. So how do we do this procedure is very important. So it's a very simple 3-step procedure where initially we draw around 15 to 20 ml of your blood. We put your blood into a separate kit which has got this growth factor extracting factors. Once it is subjected to your centrifugation, you get a concentrate of your platelet which will be injected into your scalp using a very fine needle. So why do we use this fine needle is to make you comfortable and make the procedure painless. But there are few patients who are very sensitive for this pain. So what we can do is we can do the procedure under local anesthesia or using a vibrator or an ice cube. The next question is how frequently you should do your PRP. Usually PRP has to be done once in a month for 6 consecutive sessions, and you can have a maintenance sessions if required once in 3 to 6 months. And you can expect your results by the end of 3 or 4 sessions of your PRP. There are certain instructions that you have to follow before and after your PRP. Those are on the day of your surgery, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪ್ ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ PRP you should not wash your hair for 24 hours. And third one is try to stop using minoxidil on the day of your PRP. And fourth is not to do any excessive activity which lead to excess sweating. How safe is your PRP? This is very important because most of us will think that PRP is a injection procedure where you will get hurt or something. Usually PRP is a very safe non-surgical procedure and it is very safe. Usually most of the time ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ 24 to 48 hours. Other than that it's a very safe procedure and there is no side effect with this. To summarize, PRP is a safe non-surgical procedure to promote and restore the hair growth. One thing is it should always be done by a certified dermatologist so that PRP is injected into a proper depth to get a better result. And PRP is always a add-on or an adjuvant therapy. It's not a standalone therapy. Andre PRP jotege you have to do your medical and oral medications so that you get a better results. Hope I have given all the necessary information regarding PRP. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment box or for any further guidance, you can visit us at Cutis. Thank you.